Zip. Let's start with zip. Zip was introduced in 1989 and remains one of the most widely used compression formats today. Its main function is to combine multiple files into a single archive and reduce their size through compression. Zip files are open format. They use the deflate algorithm and also support password protection. RAR. RAR was developed in 1993 as a proprietary format known for its strong compression capabilities. RAR can split large files into parts, add password protection, and even repair damaged archives. It's often used for game files or large downloads. It's not natively supported by all systems, but very popular. 7z. 7z was created in 1999 as an open-source format. It's based on the LZMA algorithm, delivering very high compression ratios. It supports strong AES-256 encryption, handles large files, and can work with multiple algorithms. This format is especially popular among tech-savvy users and known for efficient compression. tar.gz. Tar was introduced in 1979 as a Unix utility for archiving multiple files without compression. tar.gz is a two-step process. Tar first bundles files, then GZ compresses them. GZ is fast and lightweight but only works with a single file, which is why tar is needed first. gzip was released in 1992 as a free software. It's mainly used to compress single files. Web servers use gzip to compress web pages, speeding up transfers and reducing bandwidth. It's fast, though its compression ratio is average compared to others. bzip2. bzip2 was introduced in 1996, offering better compression ratios than gzip, especially for text files. It's slower when compressing or decompressing, but ideal when file size is more important than speed. Like GZ, it works on a single file, so it's often combined with tar. XZ. XZ was launched in 2009 as a modern compression format based on the improved LZMA2 algorithm. This method offers even higher compression than bzip2, although it may work slower. It's ideal when minimizing file size is more important than speed. ZST. Standard was developed in 2015 to deliver high-speed compression with solid efficiency. It's ideal for databases, logs, and server applications. It offers fast compression and decompression, making it suitable for real-time use. LZ4. LZ4 was introduced in 2011, focusing on lightning-fast compression and decompression for real-time systems. If time matters more than space, this is the best choice. It's used in embedded systems, gaming consoles, and mobile apps where performance is critical. CAB. CAB, or cabinet format, was introduced by Microsoft in 1994. It's used in Windows installation packages and drivers. CAB supports various compression methods and is deeply integrated into the Windows ecosystem. There are more than 100 other ways to compress files, but this video only explains the most commonly used ones. You can write in the comments which file compression method you use. Don't forget to like and subscribe.